What is up, Fisherholics, and welcome back to the channel. It's the Bass Sniper here checking in. It's been a while. Blame that on the winter. You guys know that winter fishing is hard. I don't have to tell any real bass fishermen that you have to slow it down in the winter, you have to fish it deep. I haven't been able to do a whole lot of deep fishing because of different situations with life in general, but I am fishing this nice gem of a spot right now underneath the highway where I don't think nobody's ever fished. This might be 2 feet of water right here. 2 or 3 feet of water at best, but I bet you it's holding some bass. And I'm also going to throw a trap out just out of curiosity to see what I get. Put a little crawdad trap, minnow trap, or whatever you want to call it. See what comes out of it, just out of curiosity. I'm also going to fish this spot where you can't really get to, and I'm just kind of thrilled to see if I can pull anything out of here. So this right here does not look accessible by the bank whatsoever, except for this little wall right here, right on the edge of a construction zone, guys. So I'm hopeful to get in here, see what's all lurking around. Hopefully ain't no gators around here, and see what I can put on the boat. So I got me a bag of shad. I'm gonna drop one in there, smash it up with a rock, see what comes out, just out of curiosity. As you can see, I'm directly under the highway, guys. Isn't that crazy? Take me a good rock, smash that up, like so. Close this trap. Dang, that might be more than 3 or 4 feet deep. Wonder what's the purpose of that. I gotta say, I'll be quite disappointed if this ain't nothing but like 5 feet all the way across. Water temp, 84 degrees, that can't be right. It had to be that freaking mud over there. Yeah, well, like I said, I'll be pissed off if this thing ain't but 3 or 4 feet all the way across. 3 or 4 feet deep all the way across. That's what it's looking like, y'all. 4 or 5 feet deep all the way across. Well, that is quite disappointing. But whatever the case, you gotta fish it. I'm here. Gotta fish it. Hey, we got some bait from the freezer. We definitely gonna see what's in here today. We'll find something. This is still some pretty warm water over here. It's only 4 feet deep, and we had a hot day today, so it's 77 degrees.
2 hours later.
You're missing the point. We don't fish for the fish. 90% of what I like about this sport, and it is a sport, is sitting in the boat for 5 hours doing nothing. And the icing on the cake is when God smiles on you and you hook one.
Got one. Finally got me one. All day to get him, too. Took him all day to get him, but I got him. Yeah. I was just about to let up, but I didn't. I knew there were bass in here. Just a matter of finding them. Didn't let up all day for this little sucker. So I hate though. Bye-bye, little guy. It took all day. Crazy
crazy fishing. You know, when it's this time of year, you have to really never let up, because it's easy to get discouraged and like let up. But that's why I always say never let up. Even if the little ones come get you, some gonna come. Let's see if I can find some more of his little friends before the dark creep in on me.
Well, see, I fished out here for hours and caught one. It was well worth it. Now at this point, I'm just gonna check my trap to see if we got anything cool out of here. Not a damn thing. But whatever the case, I appreciate you guys watching my channel. It means a lot to me. And if you don't, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, turn on that notification bell, hit me with that HBO special. Help a brother out. Trying to get my channel up to 500 and then on to 1,000. And as I always say, guys, like I did today, never let up. The fish will come.